Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share Amazon Prime membership with family. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, go ahead and open Amazon and log into your account. Once you're logged in, hover over your name at the top of the page, and from the drop-down menu, click on Your Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can view details about your Prime membership. Now, to share your Prime benefits with your family, scroll down toward the bottom of the page until you see the Shopping Programs and Rentals section. In this section, look for an option called Manage Your Amazon Family and click on it. This will take you to the Amazon Household page. From here, you'll see that Amazon allows you to share your Prime benefits and digital content with one other adult account and up to 4 child profiles. To add someone, click on the Add New button and choose whether you want to add an adult or a child. Child profiles are for children aged 12 and under. In this example, I'm going to click on Add Adult. You'll now have the option to either create a profile within your account or link 2 separate Amazon accounts together. To share Prime benefits without sharing your password, choose the option to link accounts and click the Link button. Next, you'll be taken to a screen where you can invite someone to join your Amazon household. Here, simply enter their name and email address, then click Continue at the bottom of the page. Keep in mind that both you and the person you're inviting must agree to share payment methods and wallets in order to share select Prime benefits and digital content. You can still use your own payment methods for purchases, but this agreement is required. Once you're happy, click Share Wallet and Continue. On the next screen, you'll be able to choose which types of digital content you want to share, such as ebooks, audiobooks, or games. Just tick or untick the boxes based on your preferences, then click Send Invitation. You'll now see a confirmation message letting you know the invitation has been sent. The person you invited will have 14 days to accept the invitation by clicking the link in their email. Until they accept, their status will show as invited. Once they accept, they'll officially be added to your Amazon household and can start enjoying the shared Prime benefits. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share Amazon Prime membership with family. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.